She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. I want to thank you guys again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is probably one that you've had before, but maybe not quite like this. Today we're going to make a classic dip that everyone loves. We're going to make a spinach dip, but instead we're going to add some chicken to it. So we're going to have a chicken spinach dip. So again, like I said, all the flavors are the same in this dip. The only difference is we're going to add a little bit of cooked chicken that's going to take it up to the next level. So as you can see, we've got the standard ingredients here. We've got some ranch. We have some chopped spinach, rotisserie chicken, Parmesan cheese, Mozzarella cheese, and some cream cheese. Now, I'm sure most of you have probably made spinach dip before and possibly even made it with a few different ingredients, but in this case, it's only going to take a couple just to give us that wonderful spinach dip flavor. And again, we're going to add some delicious chicken. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. guys, so here is the chicken spinach dip that's full of delicious chicken along with a wonderful homemade spinach dip. You can serve it with chips like I did in this case, or veggies, crackers, whatever you like. Definitely give this one a try, guys. The chicken inside makes it hit just a little different than the regular spinach dip. Just kind of adds a nice little additional flavor that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. So hopefully you did enjoy the video today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share the video out. Appreciate that so much, guys. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.